Story title: Learn how to improve English by shadowing. Introduction. Hi everyone. Have you ever wanted to speak English fluently but felt stuck? Today, I'm going to share an amazing technique called shadowing. It's easy to practice and can completely change how you speak English. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use shadowing to improve your speaking skills and gain confidence. Let's get started. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple method where you listen to a speaker and repeat what they say in real time. It's like being a shadow that copies their words, tone, and rhythm. You can do this with videos, podcasts, or any audio in English. This helps you improve your pronunciation, understand natural speech, and even think in English faster. Why does shadowing work? Shadowing works because it combines listening and speaking at the same time. When you practice, your brain gets used to processing English quickly. You also learn how sentences flow, where to pause, and how to sound more natural. It's like training your brain and tongue to work together in English. How to practice shadowing. Here's how you can start shadowing today. Tip 1. Choose a material, pick a short audio or video you like. It could be a TED Talk, a movie clip, or a podcast. Start with something simple and interesting. Tip 2. Listen first, play the audio and listen carefully. Pay attention to how the speaker says the words and the tone they use. Tip 3. Repeat after them, play it again and try to repeat along with the speaker. Don't worry if you miss some words, just keep going. Tip 4. Slow down if needed, use the playback speed option to slow it down. This makes it easier to follow in the beginning. Tip 5. Record yourself, record your shadowing practice and listen to it. This helps you find areas to improve and track your progress. Tip 6. Practice daily, spend 10 to 15 minutes each day shadowing. Small, consistent efforts will lead to big results over time. Common mistakes to avoid. When starting out, avoid choosing material that's too difficult. Start with something simple and build up. Don't try to be perfect, it's okay to make mistakes. And remember, it's normal to feel frustrated sometimes. Just keep practicing, and you'll improve. Conclusion. Shadowing is a powerful way to improve your English speaking skills. It's easy to do and fits into your daily routine. So why not give it a try? Pick your favorite audio or video and start shadowing today. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Closing note. Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy your English learning journey.